Scalp massage is one thing I've always talked about on my channel, how it has helped in my hair growth journey, especially in growing back my edges. So in this video, I'm going to introduce to you guys a new product that will make your scalp massage game a lot more easier, seamless and relaxing, because trust me, we know the hassle we get from doing like our scalp massage and how our arms get tired over time. So I'm also going to be talking about the benefits of scalp massage. Does it really help in hair growth? Does it really reduce hair loss? We're also going to talk about that in this video. Men and women with hair loss are increasingly turning to scalp massage as a treatment. It is easy, effective, free of side effects, and can be combined with any other treatment. It is also used by people with healthy hair. Research has found that it can give stronger hair even when there is no pathological hair loss. Scalp massage improves the blood flow. The massage dilates the blood vessels that lie near the surface of the skin. This increases the rate of blood flow in that area. Scalp massage promotes healthy hair growth. Research has found that scalp massage may benefit hair growth. It can achieve this with both balding and a healthy hair. Scalp massage can halt hair loss. Introducing the GrowBand Pro. It is a simple device that is placed on the scalp using an electric pump. The inner airbag, which sits at the front and back of the head, are inflated. The scalp is then slowly and gently lifted as to reduce scalp tension, break down fibrosis, and increase blood flow. So I'm going to be sharing 5 main reasons why you should use the GrowBand and why you should purchase this product. The first reason is that it's simple to use. It's not a complicated device. All you need to do is put the band on your hair and leave it for 10 minutes every single day. That's literally all. The second reason is that it is enjoyable to use. You can get away with doing other activities around the house, whether it's being on your phone, having a cup of tea, talking to friends, or doing any simple chores or activity in the house, while the GrowBand is massaging your scalp and actually making your hair healthy. That's a good bonus for me. So the third reason is that there is no ongoing cost. It's literally a one-time payment and a one-time investment. All you have to do is make that one-time payment, unlike getting pills or buying serums every single month or every other month when you run out of the product. This is just a one-time payment, and I see that as a very, very good advantage to using this product. The fourth reason is that there is no side effects. You know how you buy pills, how you buy serums, you might get side effects to using that product, but this one is just a band that you put that helps to massage your scalp and relieve that scalp tension, which is one factor that plays in hair loss. So I see that as a plus, like there's no side effects to using this product. And the last reason is that the GrowBand actually works. There are a lot of testimonies about this product, and I'm sure that if you try it out, it's literally going to help reversing hair loss and also helping your hair to be healthy in general. So I see it as a plus as getting this product. I'm going to have my link in the description box where you can shop this product. And also, if you have any questions about this product, I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And also, this is a very good product to give to your loved ones, to your family, to your friends, to even your dad or your brother. So yeah, let me know what you think about this product, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.